When people think of Maine, they might imagine the rocky shores filled with lighthouses and cozy coastal communities. Or maybe they think of cities like Portland filled with restaurants, tourists, and lobstermen. Or even still, they think about the vast amounts of forests, lakes, and mountains in the interior of the state. However, Maine also features over 2,000 square miles of agricultural land. Join us as we take a trip to the countryside and visit Andy's Agway in Dayton, Maine to watch their annual pumpkin chucking event. This is Brew England, a channel dedicated to all things New England culture, adventures, and beer. Andy's Agway is located off of River Road in Dayton, Maine, serving the farms of southern Maine with gardening and farming supplies, animal feed, wood pellets, coal, and more. They also specialize in catapulting pumpkins over 1,000 feet in the air using their 2 trebuchets and pumpkin cannon. This is an annual event that began in 2003 that generally takes place the Sunday after Halloween. The event is free, but does benefit the York County Food Pantry and the No-Bowl-Empty Pet Food Shelter. So if you do attend, please bring some non-perishable goods, pet food, or cash to donate. I'll leave a link to those organizations in the comments. Those organizations and Andy's Agway are not sponsored or affiliated with Brew England. Parking is generally plentiful, but if the lot fills up, you can also park on the street. Bring a blanket or camp chairs in case the grass is wet, and enjoy the show. Maybe the coolest part is that they allow kids to participate by pulling on the rope connected to the lever activating these machines. An experience they'll never forget. They also have some food for purchase, including some baked goods, popcorn, and even a hot dog cart. Bring cash since they don't accept cards if you want to buy a snack. I'm going to shut up now and let the pumpkins do the talking for the rest of the video. Wow, what an amazing event. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It would help small-time YouTubers like myself out a lot.